guys, my name is Amy Zazzy and I'm a makeup artist and beauty blogger on Instagram. Today I am here to show you how to recreate this sexy, sultry nightlife glam. I created this look today using Silk Oil of Morocco products only, and honestly it's super easy to do and you don't have to be a makeup artist to recreate this. So if you're interested in learning how I got this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing I want to do is prime my skin. So I'm going to prime my skin with the Silk Oil of Morocco Antioxidant Argan Oil Primer. And this is great for hydrating your skin before you apply a whole bunch of makeup and foundation. So I've just pumped it out onto my hand, just two to three pumps, and I'm just going to apply that to my skin in upward motions and circular motions. So I recommend putting a primer on if you want your foundation to last longer. If you're having problems with your foundation rubbing off during the day, I highly recommend adding a primer to your routine. So this is the Silk Oil of Morocco Foundation Compact, and it's the Argan Cream Compact Foundation in the shade Medium Light. So this foundation comes with a little mirror in the compact, as well as a sponge that is hidden in this little bottom section of the compact, which I find is really cute and clever. You can put this in your handbag and touch up your foundation throughout the day. I'm going to use the Silk Oil of Morocco beauty sponge to apply this foundation. And you can just use the beauty sponge to get the foundation out of the compact, and then we just want to dab this in bouncing motion. Sometimes I like to layer my foundation up if I'm going to an evening event where I want my foundation to look really flawless, or if I need my foundation to last all day. So I've layered this, done 2 layers of foundation. But you don't have to do it. This is quite full coverage. You could just do one layer. So now I'm going to go in with my Silk Oil of Morocco Creamy Concealer. So I'm just going to apply this to either side of my nose. This is going to help create the illusion of a slimmer nose, and then also just underneath my eyes to help cover up any under eye bag discoloration that I may have. I really like a highlighted middle forehead, so I do like to put a little bit on my forehead and down the bridge of my nose to create, again, the illusion of a slimmer nose, and a little bit on my chin. Again, I'm going to go in with my Silk Oil of Morocco blending sponge, and I'm going to press the product into the skin lightly and gently. I'm just doing little bouncing motions, no pulling, and that blends so easily and effortlessly. And look at that. What a difference. I'm going to just use a little bit of the Silk Oil of Morocco Argan foundation powder. I'm going to use this to set my foundation, and I'm going to press the powder on to the blending sponge, and I'm just going to get in to these areas that need to just a little bit of setting so they don't look oily or shiny. So just around the nose is one of the places that can look a little bit shiny. And I just want to set a little bit under the eyes, because I find if I don't, I get a little bit of the concealer moving. So I'm going to go in with the Silk Oil of Morocco bronzer. So I'm just going to put, this is a loose powder bronzer, so I'm just going to put a little bit in the cap because we don't want too much. And I'm going to go in with my Silk Oil of Morocco brush and just gently brush it onto the face. The common mistake is drawing your contour too low or too high. You've got to find that right balance. And if you're ever in doubt, just keep blending. Just to define my nose a little bit more and give me more of a nose contour, I like to brush a little bit either side of my nose and on the tip. And this will just create the illusion of a slimmer nose. But this is the Silk Oil of Morocco blush palette, and it comes with 4 beautiful shades. I'm going to use Rich Rose today because I think that suits my skin tone. And you just want to apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks and applying in light dabbing motions as well as circular motions. And I like to start in the apples of my cheeks and blend it upwards. So I'm going to go in with the Fibre Brow Enhancer in the shade Dark. This product is awesome because it is so easy to use. It is a fibre that you just draw gently on into your brows, and it helps fill out any sparse areas of your brows and also helps define them. So I'm just gonna gently apply this to my brows and it'll just fill them out. And look at the difference. And now to hold my brows in place, I'm going to use the Clear Brow Fixing Gel that is going to hold our brows in place. Now for the fun part, guys, eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Argan Pressed Eyeshadow Palette by Silk Oil of Morocco. I'm going to start by putting this under my brow bone, and this just creates a highlighted brow bone. I've just cleaned that brush off and I'm going in with the shade Sparkle, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid and create some depth to my eye. Now it's not hard to create this eye look. All you need to do is add pigment to your lid, and then we're just going to darken the outer corners. Such a simple eye look, but so effective. So if you want to intensify the pigment, I like to use patting motions like so, or if you just want to disperse the product and blend it, you can do windscreen wiper motions or little circular motions. So to deepen up this eye look and add more depth to my eyes, and also to make this look a little bit more sexy, I'm going to add the shade Night to the outer corners of my eye, and I want to create a slight V shape just on the outer corner. And I'm going to start by applying this darker shade to the outer lash line and then bringing it back in above the crease to create a V. If you're someone that likes to wear eyeliner, you can even go in with this Night shade with a angled brush and add that to your lash line, and that is going to give you a smoky eyeliner. So you just want to apply it gently to that lash line, and so you don't have fallout, make sure you always tap off the excess product because you really don't want to get any fallout under your eye after we just did all that beautiful base. Now we can't forget our bottom lash line, so I'm going to go back in with the Sparkle shade, and I'm using a Silk Oil of Morocco little define brush, and I'm going to just lightly apply. Okay, now for some mascara to really define these eyes, and I'm using the Argan Oil Defining Mascara. And you just want to apply the mascara right to the roots of the lashes, and I find that helps lift the lashes. Okay, so now time for lips, and I'm using the Silk Oil of Morocco lip balm, and this is obviously Argan Oil vegan lip balm, and I'm just going to apply this to my lips before the lipstick to just help hydrate and prime the lips. I'm going to go in with the Silk Oil of Morocco lip pencil, and this is in shade Ruby, and I'm just going to line the lips because we're doing a sexy red color today. Now this formula is so creamy and hydrating and so pigmented. Now to finish the look, I'm just going to go in with the Silk Oil of Morocco Vegan Argan Lipstick, and this is in the shade Poppy, and I'm just going to go over that lip liner. To finish off the look, guys, I'm going to add some highlighter, my favorite, and I'm using the highlighter palette in the shade Pop, and I'm just going to apply this to the tip of my nose. And look at that glow, guys. And also the tops of my cheekbones. And I love, love, love highlighter underneath the brow. And this brush is so good for applying highlighter. So there you have it, guys, the finished look. I used all Silk Oil of Morocco products, which are all vegan friendly and made from argan oil and no harsh chemicals. This look is super easy to recreate, so if you're not someone that is all that confident with makeup, this look is for you. These products are so easy to use, so straightforward. I really hope you enjoyed this video and have fun recreating this look.